Most of those one-click iCloud unlock tools you see online are designed to steal your data, not fix your phone. Hey, it's Elliot from McCrunch. You've likely spent hours watching tutorials that lead to dead ends or sketchy software downloads that put your privacy at risk. It is frustrating to have a high-end device sitting as a paperweight, but today we are stripping away the hype. You will discover the exact technical reasons why third-party bypasses fail and the only legitimate permanent path to unlocking your device through official channels. My goal is to show why most online methods are temporary or dangerous while explaining the real technical wall Apple built. I will walk through the specific documents needed for a real iCloud lock removal. Quick legal note before we continue: you must follow all local laws and manufacturer terms when managing device security. This information is for educational purposes only. You are responsible for any actions you take or software you choose to install. This segment is a paid partnership with Unlocksy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unlocksy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unlocksy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that join button now to get your voucher code. I spent months investigating why these third-party bypass tools fail so consistently for my readers. Most of these programs rely on software exploits that only target specific hardware vulnerabilities found in older models. These scripts do not actually remove the lock from the Apple servers. Instead, they simply hide the activation screen or skip the setup process temporarily. My research shows that once I restart the device or perform a software update, the lock reappears immediately. The technical wall is built on server-side verification, where the device serial number is linked to an encrypted ID in the cloud. No local software can change that remote database entry. I also found that many free downloads are packed with malicious trackers designed to scrape my personal information. I found that the only permanent way to clear a lock is through an official support request with the manufacturer. I start this process by gathering the original proof of purchase. This document must show the device serial number, or IMEI, the date of purchase, and the name of the authorized retailer. I submit these details through the dedicated web portal for activation locks. My request goes to a specialized team that cross-references my receipt with their internal sales database. They check if the device was reported as lost or stolen in any global registry. If my documentation matches their records, they send a command to the activation servers to delink the hardware from the previous account. This change happens at the server level, making it a true fix. I then restore my device using a computer to complete the update. I recognize that these strict security protocols exist to protect my private data and discourage the theft of high-end electronics. By making a locked device nearly impossible to use without the original owner, the incentive for criminal activity drops significantly. My personal photos, messages, and banking details remain shielded behind a wall of encryption that stays active whether or not the hardware is wiped. I see this as a necessary trade for my digital safety. I want to address common questions with some quick facts. Can I unlock a phone found on the street? No, because I lack the original purchase receipt required for official verification. Does a factory reset remove the lock? It does not, as the lock stays tied to the cloud servers regardless of local data. I reviewed the technical barriers that keep activation locks secure and why third-party software often fails to provide a real fix. I explained that only official documentation and server-side changes can result in a permanent iCloud lock removal. My investigation into the official support process highlights the need for a valid proof of purchase to verify ownership. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.